A'udzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is Polo, the king of games, for class 8 subject English. आज हमें इस लेसन के सवाल करने हैं। प्यारे बच्चों, आप अपनी कॉपी निकालिए। Question number 1. Why is polo called the game of king? Question number 1. Why is polo called the game of king? इसका आंसर है polo was called the game of kings because it was patronized and played by the kings. Question number 2. Where did polo originate? Where did polo originate? इसका आंसर है polo originated in Central Asia. Question number 3. What was the status of polo during the Mughal region? इसका आंसर है during the Mughal rule, polo was the national sport of India. इसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. In whose region did polo came to Ladakh and how? इसका आंसर है polo came to Ladakh during the region of King Jameng Damangyal. King Jameng Damangyal married a princess from Baltistan, where polo was played for entertainment. Thus, it was brought from Baltistan.